Today's topic is deriving the quadratic equation general formula using completing the square method. Like we did the last time we solved the question, and I would just like to create one so we can understand better as we derive the general formula for quadratic equations. Let's say we have 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 equals 0. We all know the c in this format. C is equivalent to the 5, then the b is equivalent to 3, then a is equivalent to 2, if you understand. So the x there is the unknown, and this is also is actually a form of making x the subject of formula. So let's dive into it. So this should give us an understanding that a, although is a letter, it actually represents a number, same as b and same as c. So we'll go down by starting to solve. You have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. I know the first step says take out the constant. C stands for the constant, as actually the letter without x. So you'll be left with a squared plus bx equals plus c goes outside and turns into minus c. Next step says divide all through by the coefficient of x squared, which is supposed to be a number, but here you have it as a. So we divide through by a, so it will be ax squared over a plus bx over a equals minus c over a. So the a cancels out. If you left with bx, you can't cancel it out, so it will be x squared plus b over ax equals minus c over a. The next step then says multiply the coefficient of x by half, then square it. So the coefficient of x is bx. You multiply by half as times 1 over 2, then you square it. The result, you add it to both sides, so it will be b times 1b over 2a. A times 2 is 2a, all squared. We add it to both sides. At this point we will have x squared plus bx over a plus b over 2a all squared equals minus c over a plus b over 2a all squared. Next thing to do is to eliminate this by joining this and this with a common squared. That will be x plus b over 2a all squared equals minus c over a. You can now open this particular bracket by giving this a separate square and the one below is separate square. So it will be b squared, then you have 2 squared is 4, then a squared is a squared. Next on this line you find the LCM. On this side find the LCM. LCM of a and 4a squared is 4a squared. 4a squared, a in 4a squared is 4a. That's the a will move one of the a's in the two a's, then that's 4a times minus c, that's minus 4ac. 4a squared in 4a squared, that's 1 times b squared is b squared. Then you still repeat this on this side. Next thing to do is to get rid of this squared by finding the square root, or finding the square root on both sides. So to get rid of this squared, so you have square root of open bracket x plus b over 2a all squared equals square root of minus 4ac plus b squared over 4a squared. The square root cancels the squared. You'll be left with x plus b over 2a equals, since this is a dividing line, we can give each, the numerator is separate square root and the denominator is separate square root. It's allowed when it's either dividing or multiplying, but you can't try it when it's adding or subtracting. So you have this like this, minus 4ac plus b squared over square root of 4a squared. So x plus b over 2a is equal to square root of minus 4ac plus b squared over square root of 4 is, first of 4, coming back to the original, square root of 4 is 2 and square root of a squared is a. We can rearrange this, these two, bringing this plus b to this side and the minus 4a to the other side, provided we are crossing the equal to sign. It doesn't change the sign, so we have x plus 2 plus b over 2a equals square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Next thing in line is to take this to the other side, since we're actually like making x subject of formula. So that's also completing the square to derive the general formula. X is equal to minus b over 2a. After finding square root, you always have plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Note that the square root of any number is plus or minus your answer. So the square root of 4 is plus or minus 2, because two numbers that will give you 4 will give plus 2 times plus 2 or minus 2 times minus 2. That's why you have plus or minus. Then this is like a fraction, top is like a fraction, so you find the LCM. LCM, since they're the same number, LCM is 2a. 2a into a1, 1 times minus b, that's minus b. Put in your plus or minus, then you have square root of 2a into a1, 1 times square root of b squared minus 4ac is still square root of b squared minus 4ac. So this is how we derive the general formula.